How to fix verification failed, there was an error connecting to the Apple ID server. So if you want to fix this problem, then the first solution is you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Because if you don't have a stable internet connection like your mobile data or your Wi-Fi, then you might face this kind of problem. So you need to open up your settings at first. Under your settings, you can go with your mobile service. If you're using your mobile data, make sure that it is turned on. Or if you're using your Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected. But even after connecting, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to toggle off your Wi-Fi or your mobile data for a few seconds and then again turn it on, and it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to go back to your settings, and after that go with general section. Under general, scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then tap on reset network settings. After resetting your network settings, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back again, and under your general you'll have date and time. Tap on date and time, and then here make sure that your date and time is set automatically. If it is not set automatically, then you might find some problem. Once you've done this, your problem might be fixed. You can go back to your verification, and now your verification will be fixed. You won't receive an error. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.